Are you tired of spending hours cleaning your outdoor trash can? From the hassle of gathering supplies to rinsing and scrubbing away grime, cleaning a trash can be frustrating. And let's not forget the clothes change and post cleaning shower to rid yourself of the dirt, odors, and germs you got covered with while washing it. That's a good 1 hour plus of your day gone poof, just like that, washing a freaking trash can. And the worst part is that it takes less than 2 days for the bin to get dirty again. Not even a trash can cleaning service can stop the inevitable from happening. But guess what? Finally, there's a solution, and it's called BagEZ. BagEZ stops waste from touching, sticking to, and stinking up your bin. Keeping your trash cans clean has never been easier. It's such a simple solution. Trust me, you're going to love it. It's a must-have, especially if you wash your cans regularly. To learn more, visit bagez.com and use the code BagEZ10 to save 10% when ordering